There, I'm going to be showcasing our newest feature in Adjust AI. This is our SDK widget, which is powered by the partner API that we just recently published for use to any of our clients. The purpose of this widget is that you have the ability to run estimate process outside of Adjust AI and be integrated into your own system. As you can see in my screen right now, we have the widget already installed and initialized. In order to use this, you just require to create a publishable key inside Adjust AI dashboard. Once you have that, you can install it in your application and you're ready to go to run your own estimates in here. This will allow you to go through the entire process for creating estimates, which go from uploading documents, classifying them, adding scope notes, and then getting a report back, finalizing with pushing them to Xactimate if you prefer it to. So I'm going to be showing you the process on how we do currently the estimate process in our platform. So just going to grab some of our files, required files here, and I'm going to upload them. And going to be classify. This is the same experience that we already have on Adjust AI platform. So if you're familiar with it, you will be uh, have this familiar experience that with adding customer documents and adding scope notes to the process. So right now, as you can see, it was just quickly and easy to do it. We upload documents, they were classified, and now we are processing an estimate. One of the features that we provide with this SDK is that you can now customize it to match the brand of your system or your application. And you can do that by adding a theming config when you initialize the widget, or you can target CSS variables directly from your code base. And it is as easy as having a toggle in your application that will change completely the look and feel of the widget to match your brand. So as we wait for the process to finish, just want to talk a little bit about how this widget works. So we are now providing our users with a brand new feature that it's called the Partner API. We are exposing certain endpoints for our exclusive clients to use if they want to build their own estimate process powered by Adjust AI. The idea behind this is that if you want to use the current workflow that we have, you can use the SDK. If you just want to go through the upload, classify, and processing documents, that's where the SDK widget shines the most. If you're looking to create something more complex, or you want to add or integrate some of your workflow of your system alongside the Adjust AI estimate process, then we have the partner APIs exposed as endpoint for you to build those pipelines or those workflows inside your system. Let's wait here until the process finishes so you can see that how everything's works using the SDK. Okay, now that we finish the process, you can see we will have all the necessary information from the report for us in order to continue with a push to Xactimate. So we can see that we have here the claim information that is required. In this case, well, we have some fields that are required for us to change, and that is important because we need to have those aligned before we can run a push to Xactimate. So let me change this to align with what they are asking for. And let's just see all the line items that were processed. And as I mentioned, this is exactly the same process that we already uh, implement or we are able in our Adjust AI platform. So once everything is clear here, we can then proceed with a push to Xactimate. And there it is. We've successfully pushed to Xactimate. We get back the assignment ID that is generated when we create a project and push line items into it. And this way the process is done. You can continue reviewing here in this page the line items and any information that you might need to change or update, and you can resubmit it to Xactimate. If you are done with this, you can click on Start a New Estimate, and then you will be able to still reuse this instance of the SDK to create a new estimate process. It's important to know that all these estimates are safe in your Adjust AI portal account, so they are not those processes are not lost, and those estimates you can see them later in Adjust AI dashboard.